Buying a folding bike is a physics trade-off. You can have a compact fold or a compliant ride, but physics dictates you cannot have both at the maximum level. The market is defined by the triangle of compromise: fold size, ride quality, and price. In 2026, the gap has narrowed, but the physics remain absolute. The Brompton remains the undisputed king of multimodal transit. If your commute involves a crowded train or storing the bike under a desk, the 16-inch wheels and unique fold are non-negotiable. However, smaller wheels suffer from a steeper angle of attack. A 16-inch wheel hits a 2-inch pothole with significantly more horizontal resistance than a 20-inch wheel, killing your momentum. This is where Tern dominates. The Tern BYB and Verge series use 20-inch wheels and a stiffer, dual-arch frame. It rides like a full-size hybrid, but folds 30% larger than a Brompton. The Birdy is the outlier. It uses a monocoque frame with no central hinge, relying on pivot points at the suspension instead. This eliminates the notorious frame flex found in cheaper folders. For value, Dahon typically offers the best components per dollar, but you sacrifice the ultra-compact engineering of the premium tier. It is the pragmatic choice for car trunks, not subways. When spending your money, visualize your last mile. If you carry the bike more than 2 minutes by hand, weight is the priority. If you ride more than 10 miles, wheel size wins. Here is your 2026 decision matrix. Buy the Brompton for the city center, the Tern for long-distance commuting, and the Birdy if you want a performance road bike that happens to fold. Choose the fold for the train or the wheels for the road.